gotcha. It's the NBA. Right here on 2K Sports. I'm Brian Anderson, alongside Clark Kellogg and Grant Hill. Allie LaForce is our reporter. And it's going to be Denver off the tip.
I got him!
Murray with it.
Right here!
Pass to Jokic. Puts it up. Kevin Durant with a rebound. And when you have a multiple MVP like Nikola Jokic, there's pressure to put him in position to win it all, Clark.
Certainly agree with you there, B.A. Widely regarded as the best player on the planet, Jokic has the capacity to will them to victory single-handedly, but ideally, he shouldn't have to. He needs some additional reinforcement to complement his greatness.
Clock at 4. Jokic. And the rebound goes to the Rockets. The 3. Outside Durant. Pass to Şengün. Back to Durant. Goes back up. He got a piece of it. Inside. Back to Jokic.
No shot!
And he converts the layup.
Using his size on the interior, Jokic extremely difficult to stop down there.
And so Thompson will bring it up for the Rockets. Here's Adams. Got a hand on it. And the foul on the shot. So he'll take 2 from the free throw line. Houston shooting their first free throws. First trip to the line on this one. We've got Steven Adams out there, Clark. What comes to your mind when you're asked about him?
Well, I love his grit. I love his physicality, man. He is just an anchor when he gets in the paint, when he sets a screen. You just don't move this guy. And his hands are really good. I mean, he's a throwback, but boy, is he effective and impactful in the way he rebounds, sets screens, and defends. And he never shies away from physicality.
Now here's Jokic. And the dunk by Jokic.
You know, for all of his agility and craftiness, the slick moves, Jokic not afraid to go old school and just throw it down on you.
What a finish. I mean, he just took over himself.
What a show of power right there from the point guard. Man, sweet.
And you know, guys, when your point guard is making explosive plays at the rim, I really do think it sets the tone for the rest of the team.
Durant for 3. Rebound by the Nuggets. And let's swing it over to the sideline and hear from Allie.
Well, I had a chance to talk with head coach Ime Udoka. Coach told me Jamal Murray is at the top of their scouting report. He said to me pregame, Murray is the ideal combo guard. He can excel on or off the ball. That is what makes him tough to deal with. You just never know how he'll attack you. Back over to you, Brian.
All right, appreciate it, Allie.
2 minutes.
And Thompson gets it to go.
You know, inside is where Thompson excels, and the concentration allowing him to finish there.
Pass to Johnson. And again, it's Denver missing. The Rockets trail. Up top, Durant. Pulls it from 20. Offensive rebound. Back to Thompson. Outside Durant. And that misses. That would have put him up.
This has not been his best quarter.
You know, guys, it seems to me as though he's over-anxious. He seems to be pressing, trying too hard, moving too fast. Just needs to calm himself down and wait for good shots.
Now here's Murray. No points yet. And it's Jokic missing. Durant inside. Houston working the ball around. 50 seconds left to play in the first. Knocks down the long J.
Nice handles, tight handles, fluid handles, right into a shooting motion. Oh, goodness. Come on now.
I almost can't believe what I saw. Incredible.
I'm speechless, man. I'm speechless.
He's one of the few players in the NBA who can pull something like that off.
On the wing, Durant. Durant with another miss. Denver in the lead. Shot clock and game clock. 1 second differential.
Aaron Gordon.
And Gordon with the big finish.
Look at Gordon knife through that defense, getting ahead of steam on his way to the basket and flushing that dunk home.
Durant inside. It's good!
That's the end of the first quarter. For the score,
Wow!
your Rockets.
Great job ending the quarter on a high note.
Denver.
Nothing like knocking down that last possession of a...
And getting it going again here in the second quarter. Fairly close game so far. And before we move on, what have you guys seen from Denver?
You can really see the strategy coming in. Get the ball into the painted area.
Yeah, and it's worked. They've got a clear edge and points in the paint. Now we'll see if they go with a more balanced attack or just keep on pounding it inside.
Here's Murray. There's that
Jamal
strength.
Murray.
Murray.
Assisted.
Well, Clark, players sometimes talk about the game slowing down as they gain experience.
Well, it's the benefit of experience, understanding situations, having gone through various situations as you get more engaged in the league over time. The more you understand where you're supposed to be, usually you can get there on time or early, and you're more reactive versus thinking.
Here's Jokic. Oh, that's too easy for Jokic when he gets inside position.
Jokic is an absolute beast. He does it all at the offensive end. Scoring, passing, rebounding. He stuffs the stat sheet in a big way.
Durant's shot is off. Murray deciding where to go with it. Jokic the screen. Three-pointer. It's not going to go for him.
And you just can't afford to give up that kind of look very often.
Here's Thompson. Pass to Shepard. For three, Durant. KD splashes the triple.
Trading the lead back and forth, neither side is willing to back down.
Yeah, and the lead has changed hands, and it just hasn't stayed in those hands very long when it's changed. Back and forth we go.
Oh, and makes it with the kiss. And it's a 5-point Houston lead.
Durant with tremendous touch. He's just a natural scorer.
Grant, is it fair to call Kevin Durant one of the most unique players we've ever seen?
Without a doubt, BA, most definitely. The blend of size and perimeter skill, unprecedented. KD able to rise up and score over most any defender.
Pass to Watson. Now Jokic. Yep, that one's good.
Nikola.
Jokic has gotten 4 this quarter.
Timeout. Time.
Well, they count on big-time production from him at the offensive end.
And so Ime Udoka decides to call timeout. A moment to rest and confer on the game plan. The Rockets lead by 3. Here's Thompson. And that one goes. He's now recorded his 5th bucket in 8 tries.
That first step is so dangerous with Amin. I mean, he was just gone.
Outside Jones.
2 minutes remaining in the first
Denver
half.
moving it around.
2 minutes.
Here's Brown. Here's Valanciunas. Ooh, some solid defense from Adams. Here's Thompson. And it's Tyson with a rebound. Nuggets trail by 5. And Clark, one thing this Rockets team is known for is their ferocity on the backboards.
Yeah, they were terrific retrieving their own misses, and they played with a grit and a toughness that I thought belied the team's youth, and that's a good foundation to build on. You've got tough-minded young players that are only going to get better. Keep an eye on this Rockets team.
Back to Thompson. Here's Adams. Ooh, and Adams, strong finish.
And whenever Adams is aggressive on offense, it helps big time, especially when he's dunking it hard inside.
Over to the left wing. Outside Hardaway. Clock at 6. Back to Valanciunas. Dunk by Valanciunas.
And check out how in sync Valanciunas is with the ball handler. They've clearly practiced that move plenty of times.
And so Ime Udoka decides to call timeout. Coach taking this moment to speak to his guys. Maybe alter some of the game plan. There's 47 seconds left to the second. Here's Shepherd. Yet to see a basket. Down low. Finney Smith. Off target at the rim. Nuggets trail by 3. To the middle. Here's Jones. And the bucket counts. And he is on his way to the line. He'll try to make it a 3-point play. Denver shooting their first free throw of the game. The free throw off from Jones. And it's Houston's ball. And here's Shepherd for 3. And he buries his first look.
Well, this is Shepherd's shot. The defense can't afford to give him this much separation.
Pass to Valanciunas. Lets a floater go. Here's Shepherd. And the 3 off target. Kevin Durant has been leading the charge for Houston. 8 points in the quarter, showing how effective he can be. More NBA on 2K Sports right after this. Second half of basketball is upon us, and we may be in for an exciting finish based on how close of a game we've seen so far. And David Adelman wants a timeout. He might have seen something and needs to review with his guys. Here's Thompson. On the wing, Durant. The 3 is up. Watson with a rebound.
And even after airtight defense like that, you still just expect him to hit those kind of shots.
And a nice finish on the layup.
Keeping pace here. That's an excellent move inside.
Houston in the lead. For 3, Durant fires. In the triple. Durant's got 14 points.
Poetry in motion. Such a smooth stroke. You assume when Durant lets it go, that 3 ball's going down.
Rockets foul. Josh Okogie. First personal foul. First team foul.
Pass to Watson. Slammed it home and a foul. A chance at another point at the line. It goes on Kevin Durant.
And one move ahead of the defense. A solid pick.
And then the monster dunk to complete the play. Well done.
Boy, picture perfect teamwork that time, guys. One guy sacrificing for the other. That's how you succeed in this league.
And here are the Nuggets. And you think about Jokic's point center game. He's a pioneer, Grant, a one-of-a-kind.
Oh, one of a kind indeed. And historically, very few centers have led their team in assists, and none with the regularity of Jokic. So he's an outlier, but is he a trendsetter? Only time will tell.
A moment to hear from Allie LaForce.
Hey, Amen Thompson, one of the most spectacular athletes in basketball. Coach Ime Udoka said he's so fast and explosive that he has the versatility to attack any matchup. Put a big body on him, he still has his advantages. We can put him anywhere in offense, and he can get downhill. Guys, back over to you.
What an athlete. Okay, Allie, thanks for the report.
Murray has that spirit of you make one on me, and I'm coming back at you for mine.
Here's Şengün. He gets it in there. And the Rockets lead by 2.
You'd certainly like to see a little better rim protection right there.
To the paint. Got a piece of it. Stolen by Thompson. Here's Okogie. Lays out. And it goes out of bounds. That one off Adams.
Nuggets ball.
And it's the Nuggets with the ball. It's Watson on the wing. The shot is good on the assist by Jokic.
3 points.
Watson's got 8 points in the quarter. Extremely competitive game thus far.
Yeah, 6 lead changes in total. I expect there to be more to come.
Durant for 3. And so Jokic will bring it up for the Nuggets. They lead by 1. Murray for 3. And they'll get another chance.
Hey, that's really good, positive offense from Murray. Knows exactly what he's going to do before the ball even gets there. That's shot preparation, folks.
And so Ime Udoka decides to call timeout. He's going to talk it over with his guys. And Houston making a change here. This game, folks, a close one here in Houston. And Grant David Adelman, a second-generation NBA head coach, grew up immersed in the game.
Yeah, B.A. Basketball was a family obsession. David, a ball boy for the Blazers in the 90s, went on to coaching, which he's done for decades. His whole life has led him to this.
Pass to Smith. And stolen by Murray. Here's Gordon. And Gordon with the big finish.
And that's Gordon's game now. You can't give him room to hit the launch pad, because if he does, he's throwing it down every time.
A minute 15 left in the third. Here's Durant. And he can't stop the run as that one misses. The Nuggets lead by 5. Pass to Johnson. Denver moving it around. Now here's Jokic. Give him 8. Johnson with a bucket. Johnson's got his second basket of the game.
Nikola.
And adding to this lead right now, riding a wave of momentum.
Yeah, you get the sense that they're going to start stretching this lead out a little bit.
Pass to Watson. Jokic in the post. And the rebound goes to the Rockets. About 7 seconds separating the shot and game clock. And Capella gets it to go.
Capella has the size and ability to score down in the paint. I like his assertiveness.
Sinks it from distance. Watson's got 11 points.
And just shredding apart the defense with his passing. He's helping to pace this offense so well.
You know, numbers don't always tell the story, guys, but his assist totals do paint the picture here. I mean, he's got everybody involved.
Jokic the screen. Out to Gordon. Here's Watson. He got it up in time, but it would not fall for him. And so it's Denver, leading by 6 as we wrap up.
44.
3 tense quarters behind us. One more to go. Thanks for being with us as we get ready for the 4th. And we've got a timeout from David Adelman. He wants to make sure they're purposeful with the game plan.
Section gets a t-shirt.
sideline. Let's catch up with Allie.
Thanks, guys. I was able to hear what the Nuggets head coach was saying to his team. And despite the lead, they are still coaching this team hard. In the huddle, they told their guys to stay alert. Do not give them anything easy. They want to protect this late lead, guys.
And Allie, thank you for that. And the dunk by Jokic.
And adds a few more points to their lead, showing off some style.
Wow, that was prime time stuff right there.
Guys, it is symbolic of their effort here tonight.
Screen by Gordon. And there's the lob. And Gordon with the big finish.
And Gordon taking advantage of the fact that when he gets up in the air like that, nobody's interested in getting in his way. Yeah, really left him no choice there. He had to foul and keep him from converting the easy bucket.
All right, guys, some stats here. The scoring breakdown for the Nuggets.
Well, not content to take what the defense gives them. I mean, they're attacking the gaps and getting the ball inside.
Clint Capella is a guy who's a defensive anchor and takes quality shots, and because of that, he plays his role to perfection.
Shot clock at 6. Stolen by Capella. Pass to Şengün. Yes, and a nice assist from Thompson.
What a move by Şengün in close. Determination for sure.
And we've got a timeout from David Allen. He was quite emphatic, demanding the timeout, clearly wanting to address strategy with his team. And the Rockets making a change here. And so it's Murray who brings up the ball for the Denver Nuggets. It's a 5-point game. Jokic up top. Lots of room. Adams grabs the miss.
You got to move past that one. I mean, they want him to take that again.
Well, you know, I hear you. That's a good look, but when you're that wide open, I think you got to knock it down.
And you have to love it. The floor general taking things into his own hands.
Just the aggression they're looking for, man.
And it just forces the defense to pay more attention to him, guys, which we know can open up things for others. I didn't care for his shot selection that time. He needs to let the game come to him a little bit. Just relax, take your time, son.
On the wing, Murray from 18 feet. Cash it in.
Jamal Murray.
Murray using the mid-range, an effective shot for a good penetrator like Jamal. He's a natural scorer.
Thompson. Oh, it's off.
Tremendous effort. Defends the shot and gets in perfect position for the rebound.
Left side, Murray. Şengün pulls it down. Rockets trail by 5. Now Adams. Good for 2.
Oh, such a cool customer. You can count on Adams making the right play in pressure situations.
Jokic the screen. Here's Gordon. Takes a 3. Knocks down the trifecta.
He made the most of that opening, teaching the defense a lesson.
And Ime Udoka has called timeout. No doubt he's going to utilize the opportunity to make sure we're all on the same page here. All right, the Rockets making a switch here. Outside Durant. Let's loose for 3. Jokic with a rebound.
Really hard to stay competitive when you're taking low percentage shots.
And that's in.
Nikola.
It doesn't get any easier than that. The defense has to play better.
It's money from deep.
And we've seen Durant now hit big shots before. This guy relishes the moment.
Outside Durant. Oh, Murray blowing the top off.
I tell you, a little extra pressure on D when you're up against a point guard who can elevate.
It doesn't make it easy, does it?
And you know, guys, showing how dynamic a weapon he is for this offense, they feed off of that energy and ability to make plays. It gets them going.
from Murray.
Stepping up and nailing an important shot to put this away.
And, you know, this run shows what kind of attitude this team has. I mean, the win is there. Go get it.
Oh, no good on the layup. And here's Durant. He'll bring it up for the Rockets. They trail by 9. Oh, he can't get the putback. 8-second difference between the shot clock and game clock. Deflects the pass. Şengün with a steal.
And just not enough time for them to get back in this game.
Not by a long shot. It's all but official.
Jokic. Book in.
Nikola.
Boy, his ball handling skills for a guy of his size and the creativity he plays with. Just remarkable when you watch Jokic do his thing.
With the W. Exceptional effort on the road. They were ready and